Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we'll be propagating pothos. Now pothos is one of those plants which you can propagate very easily. Now if you see a money plant or a pothos, you'll find different vines coming out of it. These vines have many leaves and on the end of each leaf there's a node. While making cut on these leaves, you'll have to keep in mind that you don't disturb the node. So here we'll show you how to make those cuttings. All you need is a sharp pair of scissors. So this is how you'll make the cuts. Keep in mind that you don't cut off the leaves without the nodes. This is how you'll cut the leaf. This is another vine that we had cut off from our plant. Now if you're cutting off a vine from a plant, don't worry, it will regrow again. Now these are the cuttings that we'll put in water. If you want, you can put the whole cutting directly into the water or in soil. Now here we have a leaf without a node, so we cannot use this leaf anymore. Keep in mind that the leaves that you're using are not dry. These leaves should be at least healthy so that they can survive for a long time. So these are the cuttings that we've made. Now while propagating pothos, if you're propagating in water, then keep in mind that the water that you are propagating in is filtered properly. You can use a bottle like this or a mason jar like this one, and you can put the cuttings in this bottle. This is like a little DIY that I had made, so I'll be using this one. So you'll be filling water till here. Keep in mind that the roots or the nodes of the plant that you've cut are inside the water. Otherwise, it will be of no use. So here we have taken filtered water. After a week or so, you can use tap water also. Pothos are perfect for decorating. These plants do not require direct sunlight, so these are perfect as indoor plants as well. This is another DIY that I had made. If you want a tutorial on how I made this, then let me know in the comments below. Now I had made this DIY especially for hanging. So I am hanging it next to my mirror. Another thing that you have to keep in mind is that you have to change the water at least 3 to 4 times a week. After the roots have come out from this plant, as you can see in this picture, you can change the water at least once or twice a week. You can also decorate these plants on your study table. Keep in mind that you keep these plants next to a window or a place where there is indirect sunlight. After 4 weeks or so, you can find little plants coming out of this pot. So this is how you can make cuttings. I hope you liked this video. We from Garden Story wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Share and subscribe to our channel. Bye.